Zendrop versus Spocket for dropshipping. Which is better for dropshipping? Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the basic differences between Zendrop and Spocket and which is the better application for dropshipping. So let's get into it. By now, everyone knows what dropshipping really is. Dropshipping is when you import a product or when a product is directly shipped from a supplier onto the customer via your e-commerce store or your online store, and you take a part of the profit. So you can basically take a supplier, you're going to take their prices, and then you're just going to add the product to your e-commerce store on a higher price. And when a customer orders, your supplier is going to ship directly to the customer, and you are just going to pocket your profit. So both of these applications provide you with this service. So Zendrop and Spocket, they're both very similar. They're both purple in color, and I find that to be so annoying that both of them have a very similar look, but it makes sense because they're both providing the same function. So what these applications really do is that you can connect your e-commerce store. So if you go onto Zendrop or if you go onto Spocket and you click on My Shop over here, you can connect your e-commerce store. So the first pro or con, or whatever you might want to call it, the difference between them is that Zendrop has limited access to e-commerce platforms. So if you are using any other platform other than Shopify, Commerce HQ, or WooCommerce, you cannot connect it directly onto Zendrop. So you can click on submit a request over here and add your feedback and tell them that they should add the other kind of e-commerce platforms onto their e-commerce platform as well, but it is a hassle. So if you are looking towards using like Ecwid or any other platform, then you can't connect it to Zendrop, but Spocket has a lot more options for you. So with Spocket, you can connect your Shopify store, you can connect your BigCommerce store, Wix store, Ecwid store, Squarespace store, Square Up store, Flex store, and your WooCommerce store. So Spocket is giving you a lot more options in comparison to Zendrop. Now, Zendrop really does fall back into that category. So in this category, in general terms of connectivity and integrations, Spocket is definitely a winner in comparison to Zendrop. So the second feature is the overall usability of the platform. So both platforms are very user-friendly, I must say. So on Zendrop, you have your navigation panel on your top, and on Spocket, you have it on the left. Most of the stuff is mostly self-explanatory. You're just gonna click on search product, and over here, there's a portion called find product. But here's where I like Zendrop a bit more. It's because of their basic dashboard. So if you go onto your Spocket account, you don't really get that kind of dashboard that provides you with all of your analytics or all of your overviews as you get on Zendrop. So I do find that in terms of this section, the usability of both of these platforms is great, but in terms of general data and analytics, you get it a lot better on Zendrop. And Zendrop gives you these graphs, and it gives you these columns, these boxes to understand what the insides and the workings of your business are going like. But Spocket really does lack that feature. So in that term, I do find that Zendrop is better than Spocket. Now, going on to the main crux of the video, the products. That is the most essential thing of any business. If you're looking to do dropshipping, the most important thing are products. Where are you going to find the cheaper and better products? Well, both of these have great product inventories, but sometimes I find that Spocket is a bit overpriced. Now, I'm just saying this is a sometimes. I wouldn't say that one is better over the other in terms of finding products, but sometimes when I do look at Spocket products, I'm able to find them for a cheaper price, or I'm able to find good enough alternatives on Zendrop at a lower price. So in terms of products, Zendrop slightly is ahead, but it's a very competitive niche in terms of both of their pricing. And another thing about Spocket is that they also have their Aliexpress LD Scraper, so you can find products on Aliexpress as well and automate your Aliexpress dropshipping business. So that is one part that you need to keep into consideration once you are looking at Spocket. So if we were to do a step-by-step comparison between Spocket and Zendrop, let's say we're going to look for a specific t-shirt. So I'm going to go into the find product section, and I'm going to click on over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search products on Zendrop, and I'm going to use the same keyword. So I'm going to use the keyword of t-shirt over here, and I'm going to use the keyword of t-shirt over there, and we're just going to do a simple product analysis of where you're going to be able to find the cheaper and better product. So let's say I go into Zendrop, and we're just going to wait for our results to load up. I haven't put up any product filters, so both of these applications also have product filters that you can add, but I'm not going to add any product filters, just to show you guys what kind of results you can expect on both of these. So let's say on Zendrop. So on Zendrop, you can see most of these products are around the $5 to $6 range, and depending on the style of t-shirt, they can be more or less, but this is just like what we're getting, so it's $5 to $6. And on Spocket, we are getting around the same range. So this one is $14, but most of them are $7, $14. So as I was saying, some of these products on Spocket are a bit too high in terms of price, just realistically, because $14 is more than a lot of people would pay for a t-shirt, and Zendrop is selling most of their t-shirts under $10. So this is an entire sweatshirt, and this is for $10. Other than that, all of their products are below the $10 line. So I would suggest that Zendrop, with every pro there's a con, and the con with Zendrop is that it doesn't have a lot of options. So even with t-shirts, these are the only options available. I haven't put in any kind of filters or categories, but on Spocket I have a lot more options to choose from. So I have more options, but there are good options and bad options, while on Zendrop I have less options, but most of them are good. In terms of general usability, how you're going to order it, how you're going to list it on your website, all of that is pretty much the same on both Spocket and Zendrop. In both of these platforms, you can order samples from the supplier, so you can ask the supplier to send you a sample product, and then you can choose if the product quality is up to your mark, and then choose to sell it or not sell it on your store. Now, I would not say that there's a clear winner, but if you want to really go deep into it and you really want to determine which one you should use, well, you can go on to the pricing of both Zendrop and Spocket. So Zendrop has the free version where you get access to over 1 million products, 24/7 support, and product sourcing, while on Spocket's free version, you get to just browse the catalog. So you can't really use Spocket for free, you can only browse their product catalog, and you also get Aliexpress dropshipping. Now, on their paid versions, the paid version on Zendrop starts at $49 per month, where you get access to over 1 million products, automated fulfillment, custom branding, US products, express shipping, and product sourcing with unlimited order per month. Now, on the starter version of Spocket, which starts at $24.99, almost $30, you get 25 unique products, email support, and AliExpress dropshipping, while the Pro version, which is $49.99, which I would actually compare to the Pro version of Zendrop, allows you access to over 250 unique products, 25 premium products, branded invoicing, so you get branded packaging on the Pro version, and you also get branded invoicing. So in comparison, in terms of pricing, it's pretty much the same, but you get access to more products on Zendrop. And on the Empire version, you get access to over 10,000 products, 10,000 premium products on Spocket, but there isn't like an enterprise version on Zendrop, so this is like the highest you can go, which is $29, where you get access to over 1 million products, unlimited orders, all of the good stuff, with including subscription boxes, product bundles, chargeback management, private product listing, and trending product finder, with over $100 in order credit. So that was it for today. I'm gonna say use both of the free versions. I do find that Zendrop in most categories, edges a bit higher than Spocket, but Spocket is still great, and I would suggest that you try out both to decide for yourself which is the better dropshipping service for you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.